Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at the best precision 6-piece screwdriver set you can get your hands on, a compact yet powerful toolkit that combines quality, versatility, and practicality in one sleek package. Whether you're fixing glasses, tuning a watch, or working on electronics, this mini screwdriver set is built to handle it all with precision and ease. Let's begin by talking about what you get in the box. The set comes with 6 precision screwdrivers, a combination of flat head and Phillips head tips in various sizes. These sizes are perfectly chosen to cover a wide range of everyday repair tasks. Whether it's the tiny screws on a smartphone or the delicate mechanisms of a wristwatch, this set has exactly what you need without overwhelming you with unnecessary pieces. The first thing you'll notice is the build quality. Each screwdriver is crafted with a durable, rust-resistant metal shaft that gives it both strength and longevity. The tips are precisely machined, which means they fit snugly into screw heads without stripping or slipping, a must-have for any delicate work. The handle is ergonomically designed with a textured grip, making it easy to hold and control, even during those long or intricate repair sessions. Now let's talk about usability. These screwdrivers are lightweight and well-balanced. That's important when you're working with precision tasks that require steady hands. Because of their size and design, they're easy to maneuver into tight spaces, making them ideal for electronics repairs, whether it's your laptop, phone, or a gaming controller. One of the standout features of this kit is its portability. It's compact enough to slip into a drawer, backpack, or glove compartment. This makes it a great on-the-go toolkit for technicians, hobbyists, or just about anyone who likes being prepared. The screwdrivers also come organized in a convenient storage case, so you won't have to dig through a toolbox every time you need one. This screwdriver set fits right into that workflow. It's not just for professionals, it's also incredibly useful for everyday fixes. Another major plus is how beginner-friendly it is. If you're not a pro, that's okay. The intuitive design makes it easy for anyone to use without needing specialized knowledge. And if you are a pro, you'll appreciate how reliable and precise these tools are, even after repeated use. To wrap it all up, this 6-piece precision screwdriver set earns its title as the best because it checks all the boxes: quality, portability, ease of use, and affordability. It's one of those rare finds that you don't know you need until you have it, and once you do, you'll wonder how you ever got by without it. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on the next great product. See you next time.